Hello to all of you. It is my pleasure to address you, Mr. Brix, all the students and future generations on the occasion of the Diplomatic Academy's open house.
My name is Emil Brix. I'm the honor to be director of this prestigious institution. And I have the honor to say this also because this is the oldest institution of its kind to educate people anywhere in the world for international business, for international organizations and for diplomacy.
The Diplomatic Academy in Vienna offers a broad range of studies. It's an interdisciplinary approach. Our students come from all over the world. Right now we count 44 different nationalities here. About 180 students study and also socialize in the Diplomatische Akademie Wien in this academic year.
I first heard about the Academy when they actually gave a talk, a careers service at my old university in the United Kingdom, and I wanted to do something slightly different for my master's program. And definitely the thing that I enjoy and take away the most from being here is the opportunities on offer. It's up to you to take up the amazing chances that you get here, going to conferences around the city, participating in talks, good job opportunities and internships as well.
My next stop is to talk to the teacher, but yeah, you get all the information you need. You get it from the students. I think that's very helpful because they did the same you have to do and you're going to do, and I think that's the most helpful information actually.
It's amazing. The people are so nice, everyone is so friendly, very informative, everyone is super helpful, so I'm really looking forward to starting a program here.
There is a unique selling proposition here in Vienna because it gives you the chance to do all those things which in your first student years you don't have the time to because you are working only in one field. So if you're a lawyer, you get the possibility to do a lot in economics, in business studies, in politics and so on. If you have a historian background, as I have, for me it was absolutely essential to have all this new information on international law, on business economics. Without that, nowadays, as a diplomat or in any international field, you can't be successful. And that's the good thing. It's really interdisciplinary.